Morning 6th class. This is Amit Nagpal, your maths teacher. As you know, fractions chapter is going on, and today we are going to start exercise 7.5. In exercise 7.5, there is a first question, first A part I am doing. Look at these question. There are some three diagrams. In first diagram, one part filled. In second diagram, two parts filled, and in third diagram, three parts filled. So first of all, we will write the fraction for these all parts. This is called 1 by 5, 2 by 5, and 3 by 5. Now the question is, here we have a blank and we have to choose a sign. That may be a plus sign or that may be a negative sign, that we have to choose. So you can see, if we add 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5, then we will get 3 by 5. So you can put here plus sign. This was the answer of first question, and let's take its B part. Okay students, look at the B part of first question of exercise 7.5. In B part, you can see there are total 5 parts and all 5 parts are filled, so we can put the fraction for it 5 by 5. And in this part, there are 5 parts and 3 parts filled, so we can put the fraction for it 3 by 5. And here we get 2 parts filled, so we can write fraction 2 by 5. Now students, we have to put a sign. You can see, if we subtract 5 by 5 and 3 by 5 from 5 by 5, then we get 2 by 5. So it means we will put here minus sign. This was your B part. And same way you can do C part. So you have to try C parts. Let's take it second question. In second question, we have to add some fraction and we have to subtract some fraction, but the basic thing about these fraction that their denominators are same. So this is you want to know interesting thing, that denominator are same or when denominator are not same. When denominator are not same, this type of question you will get in 7.6, but in 7.5 you will see the questions when denominator are same. So here we see denominator same, so we can put a line, and then 18 we can write for one time, and here we can write 1 plus 1, then answer is 2 by 18. Now these two numbers are divisible by 2, so you will get 1 by 9. This is your answer. Same problem here in C part, but the difference is here you have to take, you can see minus sign. So we will take 7 and then 7 minus 5 equal to 2 by 7. This is your answer. Let's take its problem number G. It may be little different. Students, let's take its problem number G of question number second. In G problem, there you have fractional number, but 1 is not a fractional number. So at the place of 1 you can write 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Now the question arises that why I am writing 3 by 3 at the place of 1. Because here you can see denominator is 3, so you will write here 3 by 3. If you will see here denominator 4, then at the place of 1 you will write 4 by 4. And if you will see here denominator 10, then at the place of 1 you will write 10 by 10. So understand why I am writing here at the place of 1 3 by 3, because there is denominator 3. Okay, so solve it. We will write 3 one time, then we will write 3 minus 2, you will get answer 1 by 3. Now second problem, problem is not difficult, but you can see here 0, so how can we solve it? 4 is the LCM, then 1 plus 0, and you know 1 plus 0 is always 1, so we get answer 1 by 4. But now next problem, I problem is interesting one, very interesting, and you can see it very important. Whenever, if here is 1, then you can write here 5 by 5, but now no 1, यहाँ पे अब 1 नहीं है. In that case you will write 5 for one time, then this 5 will be multiplied by 3, 5 will be multiplied by 3 and minus 12, you will get 15 minus 12 upon 5, then you will get 3 by 5. This is your final answer. Again see, अगर बच्चों यहाँ पे 1 होता तो आप 1 की जगह 5 by 5 लिख लेते, बट यहाँ 1 नहीं है. इस केस में आपको इस 5 को इस 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 5 इंटू 3 और माइनस का 12 एज इट इज़ लगाना है. आफ्टर दैट ये नीचे लाइन लगा के आपने 5 लिख लेना है. 5 3 जगह कितना हुआ 15, 15 माइनस 12 अपॉन 5, सो यू विल गेट 3 by 5. सो दिस वाज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड. लेट्स टेक इट्स थर्ड प्रॉब्लम. In problem number 3, Shubham painted 2 by 3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhvi helped and painted 1 by 3 of the wall. So first of all write Shubham painted wall equal to 2 by 3 part. his sister Madhvi painted wall equal to 1/3 part. So total कितना हो गया इनका? Total equal to 2/3 plus 1/3. You can write 3 for one time, then you will get 2 plus 1, you will get 3/3, and 3/3 कट होके आ जाएगा 1. So total कितना हुआ? Complete wall, one wall complete. इस तरीके से दोनों ने मिलके एक पूरी दीवार को पेंट किया. One wall complete. Okay, this was your question number 3. Let's take its problem number 4. Let's take its problem number 4. In problem number 4 we have to fill ups. In first fill up there is a minus sign, so let's think how much we can minus from 7 so that we can get 3. So it means you have to subtract 4, but denominator is 10, so you will write 4/10. In this problem there is also subtraction, so what should we subtract from 3? What should we subtract so that we get 5/21? It means if we will write here 8/21, then from 8/21 3 will subtract, you will get 5/21. Then in the next problem 3/6 must be subtracted from, so that we get 3/6. It means we will write here 6/6. So if we subtract 3/6 from 6/6, you will get 3/6. Then 5/27. So how much we add in 5 so that we get 12? I think we should add 7, so that we will write here 7/27. So this was your question number 4. Hope you can understand. Let's take this question number 5. Problem number 5, students. Javed was given 5/7 of a basket of orange. A basket of orange means total oranges, a basket. A basket. Now what is the meaning of A? The meaning of A is one basket. और इस वन बास्केट में जावेद को कितना मिला? जावेद वाज गिवन इक्वल टू 5/7 of a basket. 5/7 of a basket. It means he get 5/7 into 1 is equal to 5/7 part. Now we have to tell the remaining oranges. Remaining oranges equal to 1 minus 5/7. As I already told you, at the place of 1 you can write 7/7. You know why? Because 1 equal to 7/7. Then you will write 7 for one time. 7 for one time. Then you will write 7 for one time, and you will get 7 minus 5. The answer is 2/7. Okay, so these are the remaining oranges, 2/7 part of a basket. Okay, this is your answer. Understand? So thank you very much. Today we have done exercise 7.5. In the next video we will see exercise 7.6. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day, stay home, stay safe.